sit and wait. Does an angel contemplate my fate? And do they know the places where we go when we're gray and old? 'Cause I've been told that salvation lets their wings unfold. So when I'm lying in my bed, thoughts running to my head, and I feel the love is there, I'm loving angels instead. And to it, she offers me protection, a lot of love and affection. Where I'm right or wrong, I'm down to waterfall. Wherever it may take me, I know that life won't break me. When she comes to call, she won't forsake me.